How important is the Polish market for the ENGELs within the company's global strategy?
Yes, so Poland has been a very important market. It's actually the second biggest injection molding machine market in Europe. And from that standpoint, you can imagine that this is really important to us. That's why we have also focused a lot of resources here. And that's why I'm also now directly involved, in addition to my role as the regional president for Europe West and East, to work together with our Polish team, because our goal is to attack the market. We see a lot of potential. We really like the customers. There is a great potential from a technology standpoint. The customers are really advanced, and we think with the ENGEL products we have a very good fit.
How is ENGEL's presence in Poland developing, particularly in Warsaw, Kraków and Gdańsk?
2 years specifically, ENGEL made big investments. So last October we opened our renovated office in Warsaw. So this is the headquarters of ENGEL Poland. In addition to that, only 2 weeks ago we opened a new building of our sister company TMA in Gdańsk. So this is our automation company. Our goal is to be close to the market with automation solutions. And I think specifically those two investments show our commitment to the market. And also we have a nice service center, as we call it, in Kraków, which supports basically entire Europe with back office functionality in after sales, hotlines, spare parts, and we also have plans to build this up even more.
How does ENGEL support customers in the areas of digitalisation, automation and energy efficiency?
Energy efficiency, I think, has been a topic for many years. I think it's still very relevant, even more so nowadays. We see the increasing energy costs across the globe, and we believe with our systems, the machine drive technology, we have really good solutions. But also we want to bring this even further. We offer, let's say, water temperature systems that even support this topic more. So energy is very important, many things that we have to offer. Our biggest topic right now, and we also have a lot of things at the booth, we call it the Inject AI. So this is, let's say, our vision to deliver the autonomous machine. You can compare it with the cars, where also it is the goal to have autonomous machines where basically they drive themselves. And the same is true for our injection molding machines. At the last K-Show, for example, we already had a concept cell where we showed a cell that had inline quality testing, and whatever the result was fed back into the machine controller, and appropriate corrections were made by the machine itself. So this is the long-term vision, and we are driving this forward. But in the meantime, we already have a lot of assistance systems. It's the IQ suite of products, and with those products we try to support our customers in the end to make life easier and to get to, let's say, good quality parts easier. And the third topic is the automation. I already mentioned this. ENGEL is very committed to the automation. We always have, we've always have had our own automation. We have our Viper robots, we have 6-axis robots, but also we understand that customers, they are requesting custom automation, and sometimes this is better when you are close to the customer. That's why we have this, let's say, cooperation together with TMA as an ENGEL company, because we want to have the automation available close to where the customers are producing.